I never really expected it to go this big. It was never really the plan. It's just one of those things. One thing turns to another, and it just escalated and turned into what it is. And now the event is so big that it has to go somewhere else if I want to keep this going and make this event bigger. And the next place else is to bring it to my own place.
It's that time of year, guys. It is pit bike season. If you don't know what pit bike season is, it's in the fall time. Every year this event has been at my parents' house, and it's escalated absolutely great the way it's been over the years. I think 6 years it ran. Now I'm in the process of moving. New venue this year. It's at my track. Should be a really big hit. I put a lot of effort into this whole place to make it the way it is today. I think in the last year I've had 4 different pit bike track layouts, and I haven't really loved any of them until this. If you guys know me, you know I'm super big into pit bikes, but I'm super picky about my tracks, and I only want them to be perfect. So again, put a lot of time into this whole place. A lot of work, a lot of different jumps, a lot of things I changed. I wanted it to flow really good, have good passing, and just be safe and fun. I think that track is easily that right now. You know, I'm really excited for everyone to see it, and this would be the first time people have seen it. Even though this track's been done for about 6 months, we've waited till now to really show it. So I'm really happy and excited for everyone to see it this year. All right, guys, here is a track preview of the 2021 Turkey Derby. Here we go, nice big hole shot, way different than the one years ago. We hit 4th gear on a 90. A little mild tabletop right into an option lane to split things up. Step on, step off, always a classic at all my events. I always have one of those. Double tabletop, always got to have one of those, 2 in a row. A little split lane here into a little double, into a 180. After this 180, you're going to come into a whoop section of 10 whoops. Every year it's been 8. I added 2 more, and it actually makes a big difference. You see me jumping through them on the 90. Now we're in the wood section, double lane, all through the woods. Winds all over, really fun. It slows the track down, it gets tight, which is actually really cool. Up in this uphill, off camber, shoot back down, the drop, sweeper into a split lane. Here I'm taking the outside, wheeling through the whoops, double, kind of like a step up extension, double into the corner. Now coming into the finish line. So we got step down, step up again into a big bolt turn. Now if you can see straight, we're back at that hole shot area, and it connects in right there, and that is a full lap. All right, so differences between the previous track layouts at my parents' house versus this one. The unique part about the other one was it was different every year, and this will be different every year. So I plan on doing it like that. I feel like it was a little bit tighter at the old track, which made that more of like a supercross feel. This is more like a motocross feel with a little bit of supercross mixed in. I wouldn't really call it completely like outdoor wide open the whole time, but it's definitely more open. I mean, if you see the whole shot of this place, it's about 1,000 times more legitimate than the one we had, but definitely more of a motocross feel here, and I think everyone's going to really enjoy it. I can't wait to see everyone out here at the 2021 CST Tires Janusa Racing Turkey Derby. See you here.